how to delete Telegram account or how to delete your account in Telegram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily delete your Telegram account. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to head into your browser. Since there is no any option to delete your account in the Telegram application, you want to head into your browser and you want to search in on the browser for delete Telegram account. Just type in delete Telegram account, and there it'll give you the first link that says my Telegram org. You can head into my.telegram.org directly if you want. Simply tap on that first link and it'll ask you to log into your account. Now in my case, I'm already logged in here, so it might not ask me to log in, but it did. So I'll show you how you can log in. First, enter in your phone number along with your country code. Now my country code is +977 and my phone number is 98240. Now you can say ask for confirmation code. Now remember that you won't get this confirmation code on your phone on your messages. You'll have to open up the Telegram application and you'll get it from the Telegram. Here you can see on the chat my web login code, and you can see the code here. Now first I'll just type in this code, copy paste it. Now first copy the code once you type it, and then you can go ahead and on confirmation code you want to go ahead and you want to paste the code here. Once you paste the code, simply tap on sign in, and now you'll be signed in. And here you can see under your Telegram code you'll get 3 different options. Simply tap on delete account and scroll down below, and here it'll ask you why you're leaving. Simply tap on delete account and your account will be deleted permanently. So this way you can easily delete your Telegram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.